What's cooking, foodies? It's getting close to Valentine's Day and we are celebrating with chocolate pancake tacos, filled with creamy mascarpone filling and sprinkled with strawberries and chocolate chips. Make it for that special someone or a fun breakfast with the family. These tacos are sure to go fast. Go ahead and take a screenshot of the grocery list. These are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. To make your restaurant quality whipped cream, add powdered sugar, vanilla, heavy whipping cream. Whisk on high until soft peaks form. Add cold mascarpone cheese. This is an Italian cream cheese. Whisk on high till firm peaks form. This will happen fairly quickly, so be careful not to overmix. Cover and place in the fridge. For your pancakes, you will need a dry ingredient bowl and a wet ingredient bowl. For your dry ingredients, you'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder. Mix well. For your wet ingredients, you will need milk, melted butter, eggs, vanilla. Mix well. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. Heat your lightly greased pan or griddle on medium heat and add 1/4 cup of pancake batter. I spread mine out for a perfect circle. Cook until bubbles form on the pancake. Then flip and cook 1 to 2 more minutes. Griddles are perfect for making multiple pancakes fast. I got these cute taco holders off of Amazon. Go ahead and put your pancakes in the taco holders and start to assemble. Enjoy!